call him and send him around here.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Just tell the officer up there you're coming right here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, cop, fine. You can go left then. Go right over here.
Should I go
Yeah, just go. And then go right where she is. Like, pull in. Say you're here for the pastor. Just go over to the left. Hey, we're here for the pastor. We got supplies.
Off over there.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it. You want me to stop here? Okay. The truck's got stuff in there too.
Where you from?
Where? We're from Spring Hill, North. Oh wait, that's our organization.
Burn to rig.
Born to Ride for 45.
Born to ride. What's that mean?
Okay, I gotta follow that lady.
Yep.
Thank you, appreciate it.
With you too?
Yeah,
Yes.
the truck behind me, yep.
He won't answer his phone.
Yeah, I was
He
trying
didn't
to
answer
call
us
him.
either.
I called the pastor up in Tampa. It's no problem. We just got to drop it off. It's no big deal. Oh, they got a generator going. That's good.
All right, we are dropping off supplies here. We got lots of supplies we are donating. Yeah. This is a distribution center for supplies. We are here. We are here to give back to the community, help in any way we can.
How you doing, Pastor?
Hey, hi, brother.
Yeah, how are you? Troy sent me down here. Well, I'm all the way up from up north.
Are y'all-
We got the other truck behind you. We got all cleaning material, bleach, no food. So you tell me where to go. We'll take it out. I know,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
why. I know they told me. The other guy told me. We got bleach, cleaning stuff,
Let me ask you.
paper towels. Yeah. We figured everybody's been dropping food off. But cleaning stuff is the best.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
You want me to pull him over here? I don't know. As soon as he moves, I'm gonna pull you that way. And we'll unload
Yeah,
right on
we'll
that
back up. Yeah, we'll back up.
pallet right there.
Okay.
If you could back up a little.
Yeah, we will.
I'll
I,
put it on this pallet. Pallet. Well, we gotta unload it.
Just pull in there and nose in that way and we'll unload it.
okay. What you want me to do?
Go just
Turn.
go in here and
I
then pull
know.
to the left and then we'll.
Coming back out. I'm gonna unload real fast.
You want me to back? You want me to back it up?
Are you staying with us?
No, I gotta go back and get more
So
stuff.
I'm gonna unload right here.
That's right. I'm easy. This guy's excited with this high lift because he's got like a little toy. What happened? Take your time. Just relax. We're fine. Yeah, okay. You want me to back up?
Pull up.
Okay.
We won't be in the way.
All right, no problem.
About right there. We're not in the way.
All right.
Now, is that other truck with you?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do you first, then we'll get him in. Okay.
Open it up, Godfather. Thank you for everything you're doing.
You want us to put on the front? On the skid?
That pallet right there. I'll help.
That's all right.
I'm used to it.
We got contractors' bags. We got. That's right. The only thing you can do is pray over them. They have that run down feeling. Hey, you can give them that. Leave that plastic container here.
This?
Yeah, they can keep that.
Got it.
Thank y'all for coming.
Got 10 gallons of gas.
I got a little container.
Sit back there.
That
Sit-
truck right there.
Set it behind that trash
All right, we got that truck
Okay,
right
let's
there.
We got a
get him
truck
out
full of
faster.
more.
And then get him in.
All kinds of. Breads.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him out after you go through and bring that truck in. Go ahead.
Okay.
So the born to ride for 45 came here to help deliver supplies to people in need. Hurricane Ian, lots of cars lined up. Just wanna give back. I'm here helping. I drove with them. We gave cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies. We have another pickup truck here. This is our second vehicle. We have
Keep 1 5-gallon can and give we'll donate to 10.
You want to donate the gas?
10 of them, yeah. Give them here. Go ahead, right there. We're gonna give them this one and this one. These two, yeah.
Okay.
This one we keep.
Okay.
All right?
Got it.
Let me go to the. Hold on. Here. Hold on. Let me take this.
And the guys sitting over there. Does this go?
No.
I think so. I can't reach this.
I need 4 dollars.
better than we can. I don't know where he's putting it.
Now, listen, what other supplies you gonna need? Please, this is more bleach. Next one, paint stuff like this. Box steel.
Okay. Oh, stand here. I'll lay this up. Put it down.
These are the last one.
You already took 2 out.
Two over there.
I want to take this one. I want the other one.
Yeah, the white one.
I got a mess at my house. Am I good?
Okay.
Can't see my yard through the trees. I have a leaky
We were
roof.
pretty lucky. I couldn't get tops. I was trying to get tops. We got a list. You got your buckets. Yep.
Yeah, when we get back, we'll just change
I gotta go pick up more stuff. I got a phone call.
So what? Let me ask you something, George. What, Godfather? What does this mean to you?
It's something we have to do.
Short and simple. Something we have to do. We have to give back. A lot of victims out there. This is a huge distribution center in
This time.
man, what town is this? Wauchula. Wauchula. We are in Wauchula, a little bit north of, hour or so north of Fort Myers. This is a distribution center outside. All this food is going to the victims in the area. You know, and, police are here keeping order. More food, more supplies are coming. It's a good way to give back. You know, so if you are in the Florida area,
So where are you?
get out and help. Play your part.
Lindsay,
The roads are all closed.
do you want them to bring more cleaning stuff when they come back? They're bringing all this. Yeah,
Cleaning stuff, rooms.
You can bring whatever.
Well, people are still dropping stuff off at my place, so I'm
Okay.
going back and loading up and then come back.
This is Pastor's daughter,
Oh, hi.
Lindsay.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I mean, whatever y'all have, just bring it. In the.
Very hard for me to think.
I gotta go up there.
Don't start yet.
I'm gonna send you
Or
the.
you'll be trapped in. Tell him,
That-
don't start yet, or y'all be trapped in.
All right, everyone, be safe. Praying for the victims out there. Subscribe to my channel. Like, hit the notification button. Covering the hurricane, disaster response, the effects of what's going on, storm coverage. It's a time to come together. Jonathan Lee Richards Investigates.